Hi, my name is Gellis, and this is Infinite Modesty Design. Of course, who we are. We are a Toronto sewing and fashion studio. And of course, we teach you how to sew both in studio and online. If you need to find out more about our online sewing services, kindly click the link in the description below and you could definitely contact us. And of course, if you are new here, kindly consider subscribing and ring the notification bell to get more videos like this one. Now, stay tuned for this current video. Okay, so we're going to be making an apple face mask. So first, I'm just going to draw a line here. We're going to work with a guide. I'm just going to draw a line here from the top. Right? We want to measure a line down as well. So we're just going to do a random line and then we're going to connect the lines. Okay. Apologize, 4/4 of an inch, 4 1/4 of an inch, 4 3/4 of an inch, so 4 3/4 of an inch here, right? And then we're gonna come down 4 3/4 of an inch. Here we go. Right? And then we're gonna connect this way. So we're just gonna make a random line across. Right? So I always like to remeasure. So now you wanna measure, okay? So 4 3/4 of an inch right here. And then you connect it to the one we have up there. Right? So this is what we'll be working with here. Okay, so now that we've done that, then we're gonna go ahead and do 3/4 of an inch inside. So we're gonna go 3/4 of an inch, so right here. So 3/4 of an inch here and 3/4 of an inch here. And then we're gonna join. We're gonna come down 5/8 of an inch. We'll come down 5/8 of an inch here. This is my 1 inch, this is my 1/2 inch. And this is my 5/8 of an inch. So you come down this side. And then you go up 5/8 of an inch this side. And then you join it. So just make sure that when you join it is exactly at your 5/8 of an inch mark. Okay, so on the ruler it shows right here. Okay. Then you would take your curved ruler now. Make sure it's nice and curvy. And you would take your curved ruler from here to here. Right? You could actually mark it where you come. Okay, you could use that same side for curving the bottom part. So from here to here. Right. Then I'm going to take this side, I'm going to put it down here. And I curve it here. Okay, so now we're going to go 1 3/4 of an inch from this side. And 1 3/4 of an inch from this side, okay? You're gonna put your measurement down. This is 1 inch. 3/4 of that 1 inch. Then come right here. 1 inch. and then 3/4 of that 1 inch right here. Okay, then you're gonna take your ruler here. So what you want to do, you want to just make sure that the same curve you have here is pretty much the same curve you have up there. All right, so you want to make it a little, so I'm gonna come here and here. So hopefully I could stick to that. So I just want to come here. So you want to make the curve very much similar. So you're going to come here. Right. Okay. Just be careful when you're making the curve, that's all. All right. Okay, so ignore this line here. All right, so this here, we're gonna place it on a fold. So we're gonna put a fold bracket here. So this is just to remind us. So this have to be cut on a fold. Okay. And a right fold. All right. So the seam allowance is inside of the pattern, and the seam allowance is only 1/4 inch, right? So just keep in mind that we have 1/4 inch seam allowance all around. All right, so once we're done that now, so I would make a neater one so you could actually download, right? So just follow, you could go ahead and draw it out, or you could follow the one that is download. Okay, so now we're gonna cut here and here. That's it. Okay. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do now is to make sure we cut 2 of this.